Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel! Alright, so today we are on our final Danger Pack from Jurassic World Chaos Theory. We will review actually the DIMORPHODon. Okay guys, but first what I'm holding right now is the Darius Adventure Pack, DIMORPHODon. This came out like a few months ago, just 2 or 3 months ago, I believe. Okay, so this is like kind of the latest one. It's a bigger DIMORPHODon. Here's the DNA scan on its back. Yep. You move its legs that way. They move together. The mouth opens up and closes up. Alright, so let's go find that DIMORPHODon, the final danger pack. Okay, guys? Let's go check it out. So let's go find it. We hear it above us. Where is it? There it is. Alright. Let's go grab it. It's flying up here. Here we go. Alright, so this is the final danger pack. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that Rawi Sukas last time. Alright, let's check the backs in the box. So we already did all of these. Okay. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright guys, let's unbox it. It's pretty much, actually, I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as this guy, just a repaint. It's just another variant again. Alright, awesome. Let's put it aside. Move the head. Oh yeah. Definitely another one. Another DIMORPHODon for us, guys. Alright, so it is exactly the same, just a different paint job. Can we move the tail? Oh yeah, it goes back. No, it can't even. Yeah. So, alright. Let's check the back. There's a DNA scan for you guys to scan. Okay. If it's too fast, you can just pause the video and scan it. Okay. Alright, so it says it is definitely a repaint. Look at that year right there. 2021. So, this is an old toy. It's just they re-release it again. How about this one? What year was this? Same thing, 2021. But they just released it this year. Okay. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Just give me a short video. Nothing special about it. These are just super rare though. You can find this on Walmart. Or you can find eBay, really expensive though. At Walmart it's just $9. Plus free shipping. Alright. Also, did you guys hear that? Let's see. I think there's another one out there. Let's go find it. Oh, we have another one on hanging here. Another DIMORPHODon, guys. Alright, so we got 2 of these. Just a backup. Have another one. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'd just like you to know there was a new reveal again from Mattel. They just revealed a new Pterosaurs, a new Kentrosaurus, also a, what was the other one? Ceratosuchops, something like that. So yeah, that's what I heard for today. New releases coming end of this year. So yeah, pretty exciting. Alright guys, you guys have a good evening. Thank you again.